I love it. I love it. What are we going to do with this floor if we can't find anything that's going to be in stock?
These ones are sold.
Probably don't have enough stock.
And what's the lead time?
8 to 10 weeks. Probably 6 weeks.
8 weeks.
6 to 8.
Okay.
Is your project a tight timeline?
Mm-hmm. It's like we're an Ocean's 11 crew looking for tile. Holy shit, that fireplace is huge though. Wow, the vents are even bigger in person than I thought. So I'm trying to come up with a way right now on how we make the fireplace feel really integrated in the space.
We just building.
We have a little snuggle session.
I'm in a place of freedom and free.
Full house today. Thanks for joining. Okay, well, I wanted to do a little bit of a July kind of a COVID update. Something that we will have to be mindful of going forward, and something that we could probably expect, is for all of us to kind of pivot a little bit. These are the times. On that note, I mean, it's July, we're all still here, which is great. Yay. We still have work. Yay for what?
Employment.
Yeah, totally. Fingers crossed that with the economy opening back up, whatever that means, I'm not really sure what that means, there's some more stuff around the corner for us.
I think we can just jump right into the projects. Caledon, so Karen's heading out there today. What time do you plan on leaving, Karen? Okay.
11:30. The plan is for the morning to do some showrooms and then head over to the house after.
Afternoon? Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. So we'll have that all set up and organized for you.
Cool. Awesome. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. So this is different. I am currently in Toronto, hence why I've got a mask under my chin. So it is law in Toronto, Canada, that you have to wear a mask in all public places. That's different than in Vancouver. And we're back with Chris from Karin Architects. Yeah, well, I was just saying how this is law in Toronto. It's not in BC right now.
Yeah, it's hard to drink my coffee.
You can't drink your coffee. So we've got a really busy day ahead of us because we're gonna pack in our morning with a bunch of shopping, and then we gotta go over to the house and do a site visit. And we have to do all of this in one day. So first stop, we're headed into the Toronto International Design Center. I have never been here before, so I'm really excited about this. Thank you. Paul or Catalina would have called for my...
Karin?
Yes.
Yeah. You're from Vancouver?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So did you just fly in this morning?
Yesterday, last night.
Oh, okay.
Do you have a green looking onyx? This is what we were thinking of using for the master ensuite, where we wanted to finish floors, walls, ceiling.
Yeah,
Can you
so-
use this on the floor?
So the thing with our stuff for flooring is we don't warranty it for flooring.
Okay. And there's quite a bit of orange in it.
We could find that with a little less orange.
With less orange? Okay. If we wanted to proceed with this product, then you could show us some photos of the slabs to actually select.
Yeah.
Do the next place at 10:30 too.
You guys have
She's here
another
for
appointment?
one day. We're going do
Yeah.
going to the house.
I'm pretty excited to see what you've got. Amazing. Great. Oh, you know what? I love this stone. Not for this house, but this, I love it. I love it.
140 inches.
Oh my gosh, this is beautiful too.
Oh, it's called Sahara Noir. Wow. It's marble.
I do like this for the base of the fireplace.
Our first green slab is Verde Fantastico.
Cool.
So this is a quartzite. These slabs are nice because they're also 3 cm.
I think that this is cool also because of the different tones in the green. It'd probably be about 6 slabs for the whole kitchen, but the island I think is gonna need at least 4. And how many slabs of this do you have?
6 total slabs.
I do think that that's a good option. This is the same stone that Drake had in his house.
These are the last 3 slabs of that same lot. These ones are sold.
Okay,
However, we are bringing in more.
right. The Drake one is on its way. And then we just wanted to see a couple videos of the,
Oh, the mint green.
what would be the timeline on that?
8 to 10 weeks
Okay.
from the date of purchase.
The new norm.
The new norm. Ooh, this one smells good.
The mask? We can't see anyone's emotion.
I know you can't hear anything. Yeah, you can't see. Ooh, look at this. Look at that pattern. Obviously not for them, but this is cool. How fun is this? It's about 5,000 square feet of tile that we need.
Yep.
And we're looking for a large format, sort of concrete looking product. I think that's really nice. If this comes in different formats, that could be a really good option. Does this come in different formats?
Yes, it does.
Ideally, we would do the 120 by 278 or the
Okay.
75 by
Size
150.
down is 60 by 120.
And what's
So
the lead time?
you're looking about 8 weeks.
Also do like this.
Probably don't have enough stock.
So that would be also be 8 weeks. I do like this one too.
We'd only have one in stock, which is this size.
Yeah, let's check.
Let's check.
This is not easy. I don't think we're gonna find a floor that we can get right away. What are we gonna do with this floor if we can't find anything that's gonna be in stock?
We're gonna talk to the client.
We're gonna talk to the clients, okay.
The only option I have for you, master plan in the nickel, in the plain, in the 120 by 120.
I wonder if we should just take a sample to the house of that one.
Yeah.
Today we're definitely finding products and materials that we like and that we want to use for the home. It's just the time that's the issue. That's the only issue. That green quartzite that's perfect. That was like exactly what I was thinking. But they probably don't have enough quantity, so we'd have to wait.
Right.
Hi. Can I do a single Americano with just 1 pump of vanilla and a little bit of cream? Just a quick update for you guys. It is hot in Toronto. Oh my gosh, it's so warm. We have spent the entire morning shopping. It's 2 p.m. already. We're about to head out to the house, which I'm very excited to see the site. Before we do that, we're gonna refuel. I'm starving. You're gonna take us for a nice lunch.
Yeah, Patrick said this is his favorite restaurant in Toronto.
Okay, perfect. Great. I'm starving. We are back at our Caledon project. It's been about a month since I've been here. I'm gonna take a whole bunch of new photos now that it's drywall. You can definitely see the shape, which is great. There's a little bit more that's obviously been done on the interior, which I'm gonna check out right now. I've got some samples for some millwork, flooring, I've got tile samples, wood samples, and take any notes back with me that I need to know. I'm working out a few details in the house right now. We've got so much space in this main living area, which is incredible. The flooring has been poured, so it looks nice and clean right now. You can see that all of the plastic has been pulled off of the windows. The exterior is just beautiful. Oh, by the way, did I tell you guys that we are doing a green kitchen? Super, super cool. We have a huge, massive fireplace behind me. Wow, the vents are even bigger in person than I thought. So that elbow can't come out?
This venting has to go through.
Oh shit.
There's a lot of restrictions on it.
There's a lot of stuff that needs to fit in there. This is definitely oversized. It's as big as they get. But one of the issues with it is that you've got 2 vents that go right out the top and up the ceiling. This is actually like a designer's nightmare. What's really nice about this room is the openness that you see from one end to the other, that you actually see the kitchen, and from the kitchen you actually see over here. So I feel like you lose that a little bit with the height of the fireplace, which is unfortunate. And I agree, like at the top of where that metal is, that's almost like the perfect height.
Yeah, I can see over it.
Because you can see over it. And it looks very proportional, and it doesn't look like astronomically huge. On this side, it's just too big.
Well, now's the time to catch it.
Yeah, totally. We want it to be really elegant. We want it to feel like it's meant to be here. Right now, it sort of feels like it's a little bit of a sore thumb because it's so huge and there's nothing else in the space. But that said, we also don't want to highlight those vents. We really want them to just disappear. So I'm trying to come up with a way right now on how we make the fireplace feel really integrated in the space. If it's gonna go this high, you don't think it should go all the way up to the ceiling?
I don't think so.
I wanna see if I can sketch this out. Do you really think it would look that obtrusive
No,
if it was all the way up?
looks cleaner.
It does look cleaner.
That looks nice.
You still get to see around
And
it.
when you're seated, you see through it.
You see through it.
But also too, like think about it, if you lower it to the floor, these things are getting bigger too.
Yeah, they are gonna be bigger.
What do you do?
Almost would want to draft it and see it 3 ways. Raised, cut, and lowered to floor level. Okay, excuse the glistening that you probably see on my face right now. It is so hot and I'm sweaty and we've been up since pretty early this morning. So on the other end of the house though, I gotta figure this out. You want the master bedroom to feel elegant and elevated, and that's what this needs to feel like. Come on this way. If this isn't a rock star master bedroom, I don't know what is, because you've got this great headboard. I want to raise it a little bit, make it taller. We want to cozy this up with some beautiful velvet fabric. That's going to make this feel really rich, really luxe. It's going to bring in some softness into this space, which is exactly what you want for a bedroom. And then across from the bedroom, you've got a huge fireplace with a very, very large viewing area. And what I'm thinking is that some of the stones that we saw today, which were just beautiful, would look pretty amazing on this fireplace.
Are you gonna give us a hint which one you said?
No hints, no hints. I'm not gonna give it away yet. Not yet.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. You don't want to see both vents. You don't think that that could be kind of interesting for it to go all the way up to the ceiling and to be on an angle?
Yeah, those are two very good observations. Lower that. Can't believe we have to do that. Raise that one to the ceiling.
And that goes all the way up. These are the constellation lights. Chris was just explaining that this all gets painted dark and then you snip all the lights and then it twinkles, which is really cool, in the theater room. Is it weird that I really like the smell of paint?
Paint?
I like the smell of paint.
Yeah.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away.
Good morning, Oscar. This is how Oscar starts his day, even though he has a bed right there. I always find him on the couch. And then we have a little snuggle session.
I'm in a place serene and pure and free.
Every morning.
Hey, I ain't worried
He's
about
planning.
what's the wave, only worry about me.
Did you have a good sleep?
Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life.
Are you ready to go to work? Are you gonna earn your own bones today?
Good morning, everyone. It's Friday. I'm at the office and we're doing a little media meeting. What are we talking about this morning that we can tell them? Lots of it is top secret.
Yes.
There's nothing?
Watch the podcast. Check us on YouTube.
Okay, lots of fun stuff that we can't share with you just yet, but coming soon.
Don't take it personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations.
We're gonna jump into a big concept meeting right now. I'm loving all this imagery.